In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a demo account in Pocket Broker. Now to do this, first you want to open the app, and then when you do it for the first time, you can see it's going to prompt you to register or sign in, and then at the bottom you have an option to test a free demo. So the first way to open a demo account would be to simply tap on free demo at the bottom, and as you can see, it's going to automatically open a demo account for you, and there we go, it's going to walk you through. You kind of get a tour over here, which you can just keep on continuing and see what's going on, and then from here you can test your demo account with 5k or 50k of demo cash. Okay, so that's the first way to do it, and now I'm going to show you the second one. You can do this as well with your registered account. Okay, so the second way would be whenever you open your account, so your real account, you actually register, you want to go to the top where you can see it says QT Real and then USD, so you simply want to tap on that, and as you can see over here, you have two accounts already ready for you. So the first one is a real account, and at the bottom there's a QT demo as well, which of course is your demo account, which actually got opened automatically whenever you signed up for Pocket Broker. So you can simply tap on QT demo over here, and it's going to switch over to your demo account, and you can actually start using it within your account, which is also quite cool. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.